Okay, so now we're going to do dumbbell rows for the upper back muscles. Grab a dumbbell, split the legs like this, bend the leg on the opposite side, support yourself, keep the back straight, bend at the hip, and then you roll up, come down. It's a slight bend in the elbow in the down position. Come up, squeeze the muscle between the shoulder blades, come back down, slight bend in the elbow, up, and you're down. You're not swinging or ballistic movements. You're not doing this. Okay? That is not the exercise. You're here, up, squeeze the muscle behind the shoulder blade, come down, slight bend in the elbow. What you don't want is to fully extend the elbow and let the weight pull you like this. You're going to injure the rear deltoid. Okay, the rear part of the deltoid. So you're here, up, and you come back down, slight bend in the elbow, up, and down. So that is your dumbbell row for the upper back.